Hello beautiful friends, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending where you are listening from. I remain your girl Grace. So if today is your first day of coming across our videos, this is Grace Linkable. You are highly welcome to the family. So feel free to join us by clicking on the subscribe button and then the bell icon beside it for notifications so that whenever I post my videos or go live, you will see it there on your phone. Don't miss any updates. Okay, all right, so today I have something I want to share with us. If you can look at my face, bro, you will understand with me that um should I say I'm not really happy. I'm not really happy. Not that I lost someone, but the devil came battling. Well, and like I always tell you, if you know what you are made of, if you know the stuff you are made of, you can never fear any devil, no matter how tricky, no matter how they present themselves. Okay, all right. So I have this thing I want to share with us, and it's very much important. Few days ago I got a request. Someone pleaded with me that I should please help out in prayers, like I should include his name in my prayers like I always do. And guess what happened? I got so many attacks, like people, like you can do this, like people are like, why will you do this? I got so many of them in my dream. Even when I was about to take a shower, like when I put water on my body, I experienced some itchy and some painful experience. Well, I am sharing this because I know I'm not the only one in this category. Many of us do experience some funny stuff while sleeping. You get yourself itched, and when you pour water on your body and you start feeling those painful sensations. Well, for some of us experience it most in our dream. You start seeing so many attacks, you start seeing so many things in your dreams. I didn't do much, so this is what I did. Immediately I woke up and the experiences, I was like, wow, devil, you are actually battling a lost battle, because I know who I believe in and I know the stuff I'm made of. You can't do anything. So what I did was to get this is my palm kernel oil, original palm kernel oil. Like I always tell you, make sure you get the original one. Okay, like someone called me last time, how do you get this? Please, if you're within Nigeria, I know you can easily get this. This is palm kernel oil. So when I noticed that when I was taking a shower, just like told you guys, so I have to get this, have to rub it all over my body and stay for like 5 minutes. I stepped out from bathroom. Okay, I have to rub this all over my body. The good thing about it is that I haven't spoken to anybody. So what I did was to step out from my bathroom. I used it to rub it on my body as a cream, like from head to toe. Yeah, from head to toe. After applying this, I have to wait for some minutes, and while I was doing that, I was meditating. It was then I realized where the problem was coming from. So after applying this, I have to wait for like 5 minutes, and then I got my Bible. I read Psalm 35, Psalm 51, and Psalm 136. Bringing out a full bucket of water. Let me tell you, I always tell you guys that please, even whenever you're doing something spiritual, if possible, just have a separate bucket. Don't contaminate the buckets for your cleansing. Okay, so I brought out my bucket, my wet bucket, and then when I was reading it, I placed my hands there. You have to place your hands in the water. You have to read Psalm 35, Psalm 51, Psalm 136. I read this for a period of 3 times each, from one to the end. I know it's big, but when you need something, you have to sacrifice everything you have just to get that. Okay, so if you're a mother and you find that your kids will disturb you, please, I will urge you to please wake up early to do this, especially if you do experience some funny things while sleeping or maybe in your dream. Okay, so after doing that, I laid my hands down there to proclaim words. I wasn't reading it in my mind, I read it out, like I pronounced every word. And after that, I made a declaration. As I'm bathing with this water, every form of negativity, every form of attack, wherever it is coming from, I am careless to know. At this point, I am revising it to sue whoever. And after that, what I did was I take my shower. I was in my shower. I used my white soap, herbal white soap, for this particular bathing. Remember, I said I've already started betting before I experienced this, so I have to stop. So if you want to do this, please, you have to be doing it when you've not spoken to anybody. You can do it late night in the evening when you're about to go to sleep, or you can do it uh that first thing in the morning before going out. Every form of attack, wherever it is but wherever they've projected it from, as long as they exist under this earth, this point you are sending it back to whoever that sent it. And believe me, you won't experience it again. And if you keep experiencing, you have to keep doing it until you are delivered. Let me tell you, you must wake up. Like, you must wake up to, take whatever that belongs to you by force. You don't need to keep quiet, like cross your hands. Don't worry, the God's time is the best. So let me tell you, if you keep doing like that, definitely it will be difficult for you to acquire or achieve something tangible. The devil is not happy seeing you happy. So you must not allow the devil's plans to prevail, not at all. So I just want to share this with us. This is always by my side. I'm not just this. I have so many of stuff here, and they're always by my side. Okay, in case of anything, any funny thing at all, I have to straight. I have to go straight to wherever I keep it, and then I will start my work. So I just want to share with us, in case you find yourself in the same way. Definitely, this will help us. Um this will help us reverse every form of attack wherever it's coming from. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. I really thank you guys for being with us till this point. Don't forget that I love you so much. Yes, I do. I so much love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you love what you are doing here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. You can as well do a favor by helping us, so just share it if you love it. So this is my pumpkin oil. Remember, I said Psalm 35, 51, and 136 with a bucket of water, clean water. Lay your hands here, proclaim the words, and let me tell you, you are delivered. Thank you so much for watching. Remain your girl, Grace. Bye bye.